Hi, I'm Eben, Customer Success Manager at SmileBack. In this video, I'll show you how you can use performance reports to dig into your data and see how you can provide a better service. Performance reports can be found via the reporting button in the left-hand menu under Reviews. You'll see here it's showing all of the different customer companies compared to each other. You can sort them by the net CSAT score and find out which ones are happiest and which ones are not so happy. So in this example, you can see the companies at the bottom aren't looking so good, and it's probably time that you check in with them to find out what their concerns are and how you can do better. Next, we're going to compare agents to agents. Again, I'm going to sort it by net CSAT score, and now you can see which agents have got a very high score and which got lower ones. So, for example, you might want to find out what these agents do, which is getting them so many positive reviews, and then you can use that information to better train the agents with lower scores. Lastly, we're going to look at your scores over time. I'm selecting month by month, and we'll look at the last quarter. Here you can see that your net CSAT score improved each month, and that's a good sign that you're moving in the right direction. When you bring this information together and look at your score over time, or compare how different agents are doing and how different companies feel, you can start to see trends that will lead you to better performance, more engaged customers, and a happier team as well. So SmileBack isn't just gathering reviews for you, it's becoming a way of making your business better. If you've got any questions about this, you can reach me at help@smileback.io, or you can look in the Help Center. Thanks for watching.